Hello, welcome to the 2020 NIC Fall Conference. On Tuesday morning, October 6th, you will get an email with a link to access the virtual event platform. You will log in via the email you registered with, and you'll be prompted to set up a password. Once you enter, you'll be taken here to our virtual lobby. Consider the lobby the home base of the event. Most of the information you need to access will be found right here. Let me orient you a little bit more on how to navigate this platform. Every morning, you'll want to click on the short welcome video, which will help you get acclimated to the day. So, how do you view the sessions? Easily. For the main stage keynote sessions, you'll want to click here on the main stage text to enter the room. For concurrent sessions, which is where the majority of the sessions are, click here. The main stage and the concurrent session rooms have similar functionality. Click on the screen in the room to see the session lineup. You will be able to see what sessions are coming up, which ones are live, and which ones have already taken place. You could add any sessions that you are interested in to your Outlook calendar. Simply click on the calendar button to initiate that action. If you missed a session or you want to rewatch one, they'll be available to view on this platform until October 15th. Click on the briefcase to save sessions and other content you would like to easily revisit. Your briefcase is on the bottom of the screen for easy access. You can go back to the lobby from any room you are in by going to the lobby icon at the bottom of the page, or by clicking on a room's directional sign. Also found on this virtual meter board is the NIC Resource Center. Go here to see current NIC research. To see NIC's most recent data releases and initiatives, go to the NIC Map Data Service Room and the NIC Actual Rates Room. Representatives will be available to answer any of your questions regarding NIC data. NIC's executive survey gives you insights into the impact of COVID-19 at the operational and property level. To learn more or to take the survey, go here. Be sure to visit our valuable premier and official partners in the Partner Spotlight Zone. Click on any of these company logos to access their booths. Visit the Connections Lounge to take part in the public chat of the day, or to access the peer-to-peer discussions. To get the full conference networking experience, you'll want to set up your profile in the NIC Community Connector. The NIC Community Connector keeps you connected all year round and can help strengthen your connections at NIC events, whether they're face-to-face or virtual. Go here to access the login page. Make sure you schedule your braindate for video conversations based on shared interests. If you haven't scheduled yours yet, go here. Our sponsors will be available during week 2 of the event. You'll want to come back here during the second week to meet with company representatives. Now, let me walk you through a few features that will help you connect with other attendees. Let's talk about the chat feature. When the platform opens, you'll be able to see up in the right-hand corner, Now Attending and this location. Now Attending will show you everyone who is logged into the platform. This location will tell you everyone who is currently in the same room as you. I'm going to click on Now Attending. On the day of the event, you will see a lot more people in the system, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I see me and one other person. I see that Brian Connolly is here, and his chat icon is green, which indicates that he is available to chat. If you want to change your availability setting to Do Not Disturb or Away, hover over your profile photo and select one. I have 3 options to connect with someone using this feature. I can click on Brian's name to bring up the email functionality. You can find your sent and received messages up here in Settings. But I want to have an immediate conversation versus emailing. So I'm going to click on the chat icon. This will let Brian know that I would like to talk to him, and he will need to accept my invitation to continue the conversation. Great. It looks like Brian accepted my chat. Let me send him a message. I haven't seen Brian in a while, so I'm going to ask him if he wants to jump on a video. Before initiating a video chat, the best practice would be to get their permission before calling. Note that video chats last 10 minutes before they shut down. You can always call the person back if you want to continue the conversation. Great, so I'm going to start a video chat with Brian. I'm going to click on the camera icon and the microphone icon on the left to start the video and audio features. Hey, Brian. Thanks for connecting. It's great to see you. All right, enjoy the rest of the conference. Talk to you later. And that is how you do a video chat. Note, the chats and chat history will disappear if you leave the chat or if you refresh the page. Also, chats and history will be cleared out at the end of each day. If you want a chat to remain on your screen, simply minimize the chat window. As soon as you get access to the system, go to your settings to personalize your profile with a photo. Of course, if you need help at any time, click on the Need Help button and we will be happy to assist you. And if you would like a final program to download, you can access it here. This concludes the overview of the platform, and we look forward to welcoming you to NIC's Essential Virtual Experience on Tuesday, October 6th.